Uh, Welcome back to my channel, friends. This is teacher Jonavic. So today, like I've posted in my video, reactivity series of metals. So we want to have an overview of this reactivity series and their application or the application of this reactivity series in day-to-day activity. So we want to uh, look at the reactivity series. Reactivity series of metals. We want to look at how reactivity series of metals is the arrangement of metals according to how they react. The arrangement according to how they react. The most reactive metal is placed on top, while the least reactive is placed beneath. So if you look at the diagram, the short note that I have published, you find out that potassium is the most reactive element. So the reactivity series of metal as follows. You have the potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, tin, lead, copper, mercury, silver, and gold. So they are arranged according to the reactivity. The most reactive ones are on the top, which is potassium is the most reactive and the gold is the least reactive. So this reactivity series of metals in chemistry, physics, I want to use it to teach three things that are there in nature. We do it, but we don't know the reason why we do it. First of all, I will use it to teach why people that have hypertension, they are always advised to take food that is rich in potassium. I've published it in my before. If you go to my page, you know why people that are hypertensive, they are always advised to take food that is rich in potassium. With this reactivity series, I will explain to you why. And then I will also use this reactivity series to teach you, tell you the reason why sheep that is made of steels. Steel is an iron with a little carbon. It's an alloy of an iron. White steels are used to build bridges and the body of sheep. And they will stay inside the sea water, that is ocean, salty water, for years without rusting. Without rusting. I will tell you the reason why using this reactivity series. Then I will also tell you the reason why our tin food, if you open your can of food, sardine or tomatoes or any canned food, you discover that it is made of iron, but they are coated inside with tin. They are coated. You see shiny metal that is inside the can. The reason why they use tin to coat iron to store food, all this tin food. I will use this reactivity series to tell you the reason why they use tin. You can also use zinc. Zinc is also shiny metal. It has almost the same color with tin. Why is tin preferred to use as a to coat tin for food? That is my iron container for food other than zinc. Why tin is preferred to zinc? So I will use this reactivity series to give you reason, teach you, give you the reason why these are done. We use it, we see it. It's not iron, it's coated. Why? Why must you take potassium if you're hypertensive? Why must you take potassium, food that's rich in potassium? Why is it that iron, that is body of sheep and bridge, they don't rust when they're in constant with water and the salt and other? Because when iron is exposed to moist air, it will rust and rust away, form iron trioxide. That is rust. I will tell you the reason why it doesn't happen with bridge and also with a body of sheep. So stay tuned as I take them one after the other to tell you in our next discuss I will tell you the reasons for each of them. If you like this please follow, like it, share it with other people so that they will get the same knowledge that you're enjoying. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.